Day 2, going through the Kay Cushman estate collection. I did confirm with her son that she was a lampwork artist. And so some of these pieces were crafted by her. And, I think she just had an amazing talent. I'm so excited to keep going through this collection. So far, I've started to unpack all the big boxes and just sort things out. Right now, there's lots of lampwork. These ones are beautiful and nicely organized. But then there's just a real big mix of commercial and artisan pieces. As obviously, you can see that's some of the commercial pieces. But this bin, that bin, and that bin is all full of lampwork, and that's just from the first few boxes. A lot of these bins are mixed with check glass and lampwork, so I'm going to have to take a little more time to go through them. But definitely lots of fun stuff to look through there. And then I've been putting all of the real pearls and shells into this bin, and there is quite a lot. It's some really cool pieces. Let me see if I can show you some of that abalone pieces that were in here. It's just some really interesting stuff. And I know I've got a few pearl mamas out there that are gonna love bidding on these, so I got you, girlies. Just really, really cool stuff to play with. And I've been mixing other types of glass beads over here, so I've got and there's seed beads down here that I'm going to need to go through, but there's a lot more seed beads too that I need to get grouped together. But just some of the pretty crystals, and I'm pretty sure these ones are Swarovski. The rest of these look like maybe more generic. I think that one was a Jesse James strand. They used to do a lot of the just straight big crystals like that. And then over here, I've started kind of collecting all of this is like bead kits. Let's see. In here is a lot of the jewelry. There's a lot of just, mainstream commercial jewelry, but there's also a lot of really cool, unique pieces that Kay herself has made, or perhaps some other artists, but definitely some really cool stuff. Yeah, see, I believe this is one that would have been made by Kay. I looked online and saw some samples of her work, and this definitely looks like something she would have made. Lots of fun hand-blown glass beads too. When I make my own lampwork pieces, I like to do like what she's got here, where we're mixing the wire wrapped, doing fun little curly cues like that. So I definitely am a fan of her work. It's just gorgeous. This one is beautiful. Just really high quality. I don't think, obviously she didn't make this, but it is a beautiful piece nonetheless. Okay, and lots of fun vintage pieces, brooches, all kinds of good stuff. Some of the other ones down here, oh boy, were more collectibles, things like this. Definitely bone beads, probably sterling silver. A lot of kind of those type of pieces in these bins down here. Let's see. So this is one that I'm fairly certain was made by Kay. It's definitely you can tell by the type of beaded hook clasp that it was most likely an artisan piece made by somebody. Some of my work I've done similarly, so I totally get why they do it. It's a beautiful way to pull it all together. I'm trying to move as quickly as I can because I want to get these out there for you guys and start getting people to see the beautiful pieces. This feels like some kind of resin. I don't think it's copal. Ooh, getting stuck on things. Okay, so this is more, oh yeah, no, these are handmade pieces. Gorgeous. Lovely mix of what looks like lampwork and gemstones. Really quality. This one's a big one. Oh, they're tangled up. Oh, I'm getting too old for this. Let's see, what do we? Oh, this is all. This whole bin is gemstones. This bin alone is turquoise, and this is different turquoise than the ones that I showed you guys in the cabinets yesterday. So there's going to be lots and lots of turquoise going up on eBay. And then over here, I've just been kind of putting all the rest of the gemstones together. Just sorting through it all quickly. As quickly as I can. So lots of different kinds of gemstones that are in here. I saw some really high quality ones. We'll definitely have more gemstones coming. And I've started putting, so all these are the bins that are full of glass, both check and lampwork that I need to sort through. So there's still a lot of work to be done. But you can see just the beautiful stuff that's in there. So exciting. And then over here, I've been putting all the metal beads. And boy, where did that go? I had a whole bin that was nothing but sterling silver. Where did that go? I was bound to lose something in this mess. Oh. Well, I'll have to locate it. But there is a whole bin, one of these, this size, that's full of nothing but sterling silver. Big sterling silver pieces. So that's going to be a fun one. And then there's also some kind of more unique beads that I've been coming across. Cashmere style and different kind of things like that. So very, very, very cool. Oh. So yeah, that's how much I got done the first day. And still barely scratched the surface. I haven't touched any of these bins at all. Oh, and there's lots of these type of jewelry boxes that have different kinds of things in it. So lots of just beautiful vintage brooches and other costume jewelry. I haven't really had a chance to look and see if there's precious metals in these ones, but she seemed fairly well organized. So I have a feeling most of the precious stuff will be labeled, which will make it a little bit easier for me. It's raining. That drawer's kind of sticking there. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is the bin I showed you guys yesterday that had a lot of commercial stuff, like the Jesse James beads and stuff. So yeah, a good start for my first day, right guys? And then also all of these bins that I put on top of the cabinets still need to be gone through. but we can see some of the fun stuff. I see some ceramic beads in there. This one is all like kind of statement jewelry. There we go. Really fun stuff. There's lots of stuff like that in this bin. Ooh, that's heavy. I'll have to go at it like this. Also, I've been also collecting more of the metal bead bins over here. That's probably where I ended up putting the sterling silver one, because there's just so much. Oh, and at least 3 or 4 of these cabinets are full of metal stuff, so there's going to be lots of metal. Ah, here we go. Here's the sterling silver one. Oh, let's go look at this. Okay, looks like the other earring's missing. It's probably in there somewhere. A lot of these were made out of spoons and things, which is pretty common. So here's a sterling silver spoon bracelet. Oh, yep, more earring brace or spoon earrings. Oh yeah, it looks like she's got a lot of those. Oh, fun. A little nickel pin, buffalo nickel clip, like a tie clip or something. Oh, I love it when they do that with the forks and give it the curly cues. So cute. So, reclaim pewter. Okay. There we go. Those are pretty. I've always loved these beautiful jewelry that's been made out of silverware. It's always so pretty, and it's such a nice way to reuse family heirlooms. So yeah, there's just a quick update at what I've got done so far and what's coming down the pipeline. I probably am going to break it up into pieces so that I can get to listing a lot faster and then just work my way through everything. So keep checking back and make sure that you're ready when the sale goes live.